Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I want to talk about one bad eating habit can cause you serious symptoms. And there are a lot of symptoms can be serious. You like this cat? It's super cute. See, they also got feet, super cute. The link of this plushie is in the description box. And thank you so much for gifting this to me. I really love it. I had the annual check a while ago, so my doctor said I have no blood sugar. A lot of you probably already know what is no blood sugar. It says on the internet it is the body's main energy source. So what causes no blood sugar? Too little food or carbohydrate, and skipped or delayed meal. Look! That's why I have blood sugar, because I have 2 meals a day and I used to skip meals, so that's why I had no blood sugar. Another reason is more active than usual. Too much insulin or too many diabetes pills. So bad habit. So what are the symptoms? Confusion. It's hard to tell if I have confusion sometimes, but I did confused about something. I think a lot of people confused about something. Next symptom is heart palpitation. This symptom is very true. I have this symptom every single day. Every time when I just go upstairs, it's very short stairs and my heart beats very fast. Noticeable, rapid, irregular heartbeats, and it's also very hard for me to breathe. Have you had similar symptoms, like a few walks or just to go upstairs, like very short stairs, and it makes heartbeat very fast? Anxiety. Yes, I do have anxiety. I thought that's just my problem, but it looks like it's because I have no blood sugar. And shakiness. I don't think I shake, but when I sit for a while and I stand up very fast, my head will get dizzy and my eyes, my vision will become like black. I suddenly sit up and my vision is all blurry and turn black. So that's one of my symptoms, and it happens every day. You can find all those information on the internet. So people may experience the whole body exceeds sweating. I don't sweat much, but I do feel very uncomfortable. It's like my body is very hot, but I don't sweat very much. The next one is excessive hunger. Yes, I do get more hungry than my husband. It's like we eat same amount of food for breakfast, but I get hungry faster than him. Fainting and fatigue. That's very true, fatigue. Sometimes when people have these symptoms, other people might think, oh, this person just don't want to do anything, is like feels lazy, but that's not the case. It's because they do feel tired because of no blood sugar, very no energy. I do feel tired every single day, but whenever I make videos, I put all my energies to make videos. Lightheaded. Yes, I do have lightheaded, but not very single day, but very often. You might also have the nausea or vomiting. That's very true. Sometimes I have nausea on some certain of food, but not everything. For example, egg, because I have been having a lot of eggs, so I'm tired of it. And vomiting, no, I don't have vomiting. I might have the symptom of confusion or responsiveness. I think this symptom happens on a lot of people, right? I do get confusions. Another symptom is your mouth getting dry and tingling lips. My lips do get dry, but I don't have tingling symptoms. Anxiety, blurry vision, headache, palpitation, sensation of needles and slurred speech, And another symptom I have is not listed on the internet, which is my ears. It's plaqued. I don't know why. It's plaqued every day and it's plaqued when I'm talking right now. It's plaqued right now. So the feeling is like when you sit on the plane and when the plane takes off and your ear get plaqued. This is that feeling. So my ears get plaqued very often. Do you have similar symptoms and what is this? I don't get it. If you want to know more information about low blood sugar, you can just Google it. They have a lot of more details. So the treatment. This is the treatment my doctor gave me. Eat 5 frequent small meals. As I said before, bad habits can cause low blood sugar. I told you guys before, I used to eat like 2 big meals daily, and that's not right. It's better to eat small meals and 5 times a day. And on the internet, the treatment is to consume high sugar food or drinks such as orange juice and regular soda, and medicines can be used to raise the blood sugar level. It's also important to ask your doctor. So what I said in this video is from the internet and also from my doctors. If you have similar symptoms, you should ask your doctor because everybody's body is different. Thank you so much for watching the video, and this is my health stories. There will be some videos about health and some videos about food tasting and some videos about making fun food. So I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.